Gestalt Robotics Quality Gate for Assembly enables automated assembly and configuration checks of complex products. Latest AI-empowered software and a worker-centered design guarantee the highest quality standards and ease of use. In just minutes, shop floor workers can both set up and commission the system. At the same time, the intuitive and fast setup enables them to quickly train the device to inspect a product's configuration. While a flexible workflow manager customizes plans, the cobot-guided camera enables multi-angle inspections. The no-code solution provides intuitive guidance of the camera and a quick training in order to distinguish between acceptable and non-compliant product features. All are supported by few-shot learning tech for efficient data and instant operation. The quality gate is suited for end-of-line as well as in-line inspection tasks. It provides seamless integration into shop floor management systems as well as corporate IT networks. Enhance your production's inspection efficiency and adherence to high-quality standards with our fully automated configuration checks, unlocking new operational potential. Discover a new quality and customer satisfaction standard with our cutting-edge technological solutions. Contact us today to learn more about our offerings.